Hey besties! Welcome to another video where I'm walking you through on how I made this Ankara pattern bow dress for a 6-year-old child. Okay, if this is kind of video you would like to see, please do want to stick around, watch to the end, like, comment, and share. And one more thing, subscribe if you've not, and be a part of this wonderful family. Okay, thank you guys so much, and I'll try as much as possible to walk you through this video as slow as I can. All right, now let's get into it. So for the making of this dress, I made use of this Ankara paste, and then I made use of this doll face satin 2 yards. I made use of this net or mesh, like you might call it, and I made use of 10 yards. Okay, and the lining and other things. So first thing I did was to fold this Ankara paste like so, and then I got the chest point at 7 and then the half length at 13. Okay, now for my shoulder, I divided the shoulder by 2 and then added extra 1 inch. For the bust and the waist, divide by 4 and add extra 2 inches to it. Okay, capish? Capish. And after that, do want to join that together and cut that out. Okay, remember, if you've not subscribed, please do want to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you. Now, using the front, use that to cut the back. Okay, and also remember to add your zipper allowance to it with 1.5 inches by the side. Now for the neck, I went in by 2.5 and then I went down by 3 inches, and then mat the round neck and then wanted to cut it out. For the back side or for the back neck, I went down by 9 inches, right? And then I also went in by 2.5. Okay, and then after that, go ahead and join that together and cut that out. Okay, and that is all you need to do for the back of this dress. And then put the front and the back together once more. Now let's work on the shoulder and the armhole. Now from the shoulder, remove 1.5 inches, I mean minus 1.5 inches. Okay, and then go down by 8.5 inches. Join that together, and now go ahead and do your armhole cut and then cut it out. And then for your shoulder slant, I went down by 1.5 inches. Okay, go ahead and slant the shoulder of that dress. After that, cut it out. The reason why I went down on the armhole is this, because I'm not going to add in any sleeve to it, number one. Then number two, I do not want to pipe the mouth or do anything. I just want it to be very plain and very clean. And now for the down part, using my satin, I folded it together for easy cutting, marked out from the half length to the full length of the dress, and then went ahead to cut that out. Okay, now after cutting it out, what I cut out on this satin, I'm going to use it to cut out for the net as well. Okay, now I folded the net and then secured it with pin for easy cutting. You just have to improvise and make things work for you. So after that, I went ahead to cut that out like so. And today's shout out goes to Mercy Amy. Thank you so much for being a part of this family. Thank you for commenting, for watching my videos, for subscribing, for sharing. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. Do not forget that I love you so much, and stay creative. You're welcome. And then now that I've finished cutting that out, I'm just going to go ahead and set this aside. Okay, and now bringing in the remaining Ankara piece, just go ahead and then from your half length, measure 3 if, for example, minus 3 inches or 4 inches from your full length. Then from your half length, cut out whatever thing that you have. Okay, and now that I've finished cutting, I'm going to cut out the linings that is needed, cut out the belt for the baby's dress, and then the lining, the hard net, and every other thing that is needed. Now it is time to get to sewing. So for the sewing, place your lining on the main fabric like so. First of all, sew the neck part, turn it up and top stitch it, then sew the armhole side, the side of it. Do the same thing for the front and the back. Okay, now that that is done, go ahead and iron it, and then have this beautiful flat looking thing like this, very cute. Now time to work on the shoulder. Now for the shoulder, watch carefully how I'm going to insert the shoulder and then sew it to be looking so good and so neat. Now turn over the front part and then insert the back part to the front. Okay, making sure that you're using the proper side for it. Then after that, go ahead and pin it, making sure that that of the front and the back they are equal. Go ahead and sew it up. Do that for the other side as well. After doing that, you're going to be having this beautiful shoulder like this without anything showing. Now let's go ahead and then mark our darts. Now for the darts, I went in by 2.5, and then I went up by 5.5 from the down part of it. And then for the front side, I'm going to go in from the center by 2.5 and then also go up by 3 inches. Now you might be wondering why I like inserting that on baby's dresses. That's because I like it. I've done the without that, and then I've sewn with that, and trust me, I'm still going to stick with adding that to babies or kids outfit because it makes it come out so beautiful and it defines their look very, very well. Okay, so now go ahead and just sew that up, just tiny bit of sewing, very tiny, but it means a lot. So now that is done, I went ahead to just place the belt where it is supposed to be on both sides, and then pin that down, and then went to my machine to stitch that in order to hold it in place. Okay, and after doing that, the next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and place the front and the back together, and then shape it up like so using the measurements. Now that is done, you'll be having this beautiful thing like so. Now next thing I'm going to do is to take all the down part of it and then go and do the gather stitches to it, or tiny pleats to it, until you get to the circumference of the waist. Do that for each and every one of them. Okay, and remember, I forgot to say that for the net I have to cut 2 of it. Okay, yeah, and now after doing that, this is me bringing the Ankara in, and then I folded it into 2, divided the front by half of what the back is, and then I gave that a slant cut like so. Okay, which means it is going to be a high-low for the Ankara itself. Then go ahead and fold the down part, and now for everything that you've gathered or that you've done the tiny pleats on, attach that to the satin like so, one by one. Okay, now that is done, I'm just going to go ahead and join the upper part and the down part of this dress together. Capiche? Capiche. And after that is done, you'll be having this beautiful outlook. Next thing I'm going to do is just to go ahead and then attach the strong neck to the lining, and then attach the lining to the dress, and then fix the zipper to it, and that's all. Colors finish, all things finish. And now this is what we have, this beautiful dress, looking so cute and so beautiful. Hope you enjoyed this video. Will you be trying out this dress? Will you be trying it out? If you will, let me see it in the comment section. And also, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. And until next time, my wonderful family, stay creative, and don't forget that I love you. Mwah.